Hey guys, it's Lou Bortone, the online video guy, and I know you've heard me talk about the 7 must-have videos. Actually, I started with 5 must-have videos. I bumped it up to 7. You could even argue that there are 10 must-have videos. But the point is, if you're doing business in 2019, 2020, and you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, you absolutely have to have these 7 videos in your arsenal, or you simply can't be competitive. You won't be relevant. People won't take you seriously. There are some videos that you just have to have. A homepage video on your website, gotta have it. Absolute must. Again, you can't really be competitive without it. And there are several other videos that are must-have videos, including your About Me video, your YouTube channel trailer. You really have to have some presence on YouTube, so that helps. Facebook Live videos, you should have a live streaming presence. Frequently asked questions videos, video email, easiest kind of video to do in the world, sales page videos. So again, these are 7 must-have videos. I talk about them all the time, and again, I emphasize that in order to remain relevant, in order to engage your prospects and clients, and in order to stay competitive and really stay relevant in business, you have to have these videos. Now, I know it's one thing to talk about the 7 types of videos that you must have, but it's another thing to actually show you exactly what they are and exactly how to do them. And that's what I'm going to do starting in early January 2020. I'm going to do a brand new course on how to create your 7 must-have videos. So again, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is here and not just talk about these videos, but actually tell you how you can create them yourself easily and affordably. Now, there are certain videos like speaker reels and things like that that you may want to farm out, and we'll talk about that and talk about low-cost resources to do that. But there are many of these that you really can do yourself, or do 99% of it yourself. And again, I'll show you how to create a homepage video, an About Me video, which is very different than a homepage video, a YouTube channel trailer, a Facebook Live video, video email, frequently asked questions video series for LinkedIn or Instagram or YouTube, and of course a sales video for your signature product or service or book or event. Again, if you are in business and you're selling anything online or promoting anything, whether it be books, events, products, you have got to have these videos, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create those key videos. Each session will focus on a different video. I'll walk you through it step by step. We'll keep it simple, we'll keep it affordable, and I'll show you how you can get these videos done and really ramp up your video presence in 2020. All the details are below, so check it out, and I hope to see you in the class for the 7 must-have videos and how to create them. See you soon.